Hey, what's up, guys? This is OC's Finest Garage here, and I really haven't seen a video. Let me turn off the car. I haven't really seen a video where people actually put this K&N filter in a Chevy Cobalt. I've seen the cold air intake ones, but not really the air filter ones. So, I guess I'm going to show y'all how to do it. Oh, what the hell? This thing started flickering randomly after I just took it off. Well, that's not good. Well, I'm going to fast forward here to the process. Alright, first thing you want to do is, well, start with the obvious. You see these clips right here. So we're going to take those out. Oh man, these things are... Okay. Then you should have access to it. Now, you could probably go a little bit further and unplug all this, blah, 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 but I don't think there's a need. It's a little difficult to do it this way, but for just to hurry up and just put this in, why not? Now, that's what the old filter looks like, and that's what that looks like. If you want to, you can clean it out, but I don't have tool right now. It doesn't look too bad actually, but I don't know, just want to see how the K&N works, and then if it's trash, then we're gonna get a regular air filter back in. That's all. This is what the new one looks like. Now, normally when I put these in, I don't oil it initially because I think it comes pre-oiled, but don't quote me on that one. I just drop it in initially, and then when I go to clean it, then I put the oil on. I usually clean it. I usually go every 5,000 miles. Now I know you like every oil change. What I usually like to do is every oil change I like to clean these, change the oil. Might as well just clean it all, you know. Cabin air filter, I kind of do the same thing. I kind of just change it every 5,000 to 10,000 miles. But I'm probably going to put K&N in that one too, because I'm tired of changing these things. But we're going to put this in. Now, the way it came out is like that, so I'm pretty sure it's going to go in just like that. There we go, just like that. You can tell by the shape it's in. Boom. And now all we're going to do is put it back in to where it goes. And you get the rest. I'm just going to tighten this because it's hard to do with one hand. There it is. It's in there. Now, when I start driving, I'm going to obviously see if there's really a sound difference or performance difference. I'm going to get some gas because I'm out of gas. Or see if there's any difference really. And yeah, we'll be back and I'll let you know. Thanks, guys, for subscribing, watching. Appreciate it. Like I said, like the more subscribers, the more people that watch this, the more inspirations, the different things that I can do to this vehicle. Right now, my girlfriend and she broke up with me a couple days ago. She keeps asking for the car back, but now she wants me back. So we'll see how this goes. We're going to see if this channel is even going to continue right now. But yeah, she says she's going to start taking over, which means she's going to start buying parts. I sure as hell hope so. Oh, you know, just alright. So I filled it up. It only cost me $27. This car ain't too bad. Getting a little car wash, you can see, because, you know, I just put a cabin air filter in too, which is actually a pain to do in this car. You know, I dropped the K&N in. I was going to make a video on how to do the cabin, but I got so frustrated with it. So that video's not going to come out, guys. I'm sorry. There are other videos who they've done it better. So yeah, take a nice little car wash, because it came with, I get 20 cents off per gallon, so I probably saved almost $2 or $3 just doing it. I ended up paying like 40 bucks though. But, oh well. So you can see there, so far the K&N is doing great. 30 miles a gallon, average. I'm liking it. This is like mixed driving. This is like not interstate, this is highway, where the speed limit's like 55, back roads type thing. I'm about to get on the interstate now for about 20 miles. And I'm gonna drive about 70 miles an hour. That's the speed limit. I've been going the speed limit between like 55 and 60, and I've just been averaging about 30.2 miles per gallon so far.